POC Network with another unboxing, this time coming again from the company BlitzWolf. This is one of their new Bluetooth speakers. This is the BW-AS2. And what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and see what's inside the box. What does it look like? And then you're going to go to POCnetwork.net. We'll have more about this later on when we do the full review. So let's go ahead and take a look here. So this is the speaker itself. It's huge and it's heavy, so that's pretty good. It's going to have some good drivers inside, I'm guessing. It features an all black, mostly color tone to it, with some kind of brushed gunmetal silver plates on the sides that reveal the woofers on the inside. You have multiple inputs here, it looks like, for taking audio. Source-wise, you have a micro SD slot for putting a card in there. You have an auxiliary input for wired devices that don't support Bluetooth. You have a micro USB input, but that's for charging the speaker. And then, of course, this also supports a DC cable as well, an adapter that's an 18 volt, so you can just plug it in and use it around the house. On the front, or on the top, really, since it sits like this, it looks like, you have volume up and down. You have a play pause button. You have a phone button for answering phone calls. You can use this as a speaker phone, of course, like any Bluetooth speaker. You have a mode, or it might be a mute. I think that's a mute. And you have a power button for turning it on. See if it's charged. It's charged. Right now it's in Bluetooth mode. It's looking for home. It's dialing home like ET. Additionally, in the box, you have a 3.5 millimeters, a 3.5 for those wired-only devices. You have a USB cable for charging the speaker with. You have a small little pamphlet here, not just a little piece of paper that allows you to reach out to them so you can let them know what you think. Are you happy? Are you sad? Suggestions, complaints, or anything like that. And of course, a user manual to get you started, to let you know what all these buttons do and get you playing your music as fast as possible. So BlitzWolf, again, this is the BW-AS2. I had to look at that. And it's a huge, it's a huge Bluetooth speaker that should hopefully provide a lot of good sound. Again, BlitzWolf is a company that has come up with a large number of products within their line now, and most of them are absolutely fantastic. So we are excited, of course, to test this out, and we'll have more on this later. We will tell you what we like about it, what we don't like about it, hopefully mostly what we like about it, at POCnetwork.net. So go check it out. And of course, if you liked what you've seen, don't forget to subscribe below. We have a button down there. And of course, comments, because we'd love to hear from you. So post some comments down. Let us know what you think. As always, we thank you for watching, and we'll catch you next time. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.